I can totally save that, by the way. Hey everyone, okay, so look what I just got. Huda's a flush, is it flush balm or flush filter? I think it is, flush filter, I'm sorry. So there's no point me trying to tell you what shades these are because I can't read them, it's too small, and even with my glasses on, I don't know. But my partner is beautiful and will almost certainly put them on screen. So let's start. I can't wait to try these. So I'm gonna start with the brightest of the two. And we'll pop a drop. And we'll see where we go. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's pigmented. Oh, actually. Ooh. Let's blend this in. And that's, see, I brought it down slightly. That's a proper flush. That's the kind of flush that you would actually get if you'd been exercising. And that's what that bright color looks like. If I'd done one more drop, that would have been really extreme. I'm going to, we'll mix them all at the end. I'm going to try this shade here, which is a peach. By the way, this is textureless. There's basically no texture here whatsoever. I'm going to do 3 dots here. And we're going to blend this in. I'm going to do a bit of a stamping motion. And then I'll move it across. So again, that's really nice color. There's no texture. This isn't building up a thick layer of anything on the skin. That's really nice. I think don't know. All pretty. Okay, let's just get rid of these. And then we'll do the other shade and then we'll mix all 3. This is why I love Merit's Beauty minimalistic. Gorgeous. Okay, so the final shade is this really pale, looks like a pale pink. I'm gonna do this more localized. Let's see. That's a pretty, I thought that might be too pale for me, but it isn't. That's really pretty. I've done it here as well, just so you can see. That's lovely, isn't it? That's really nice. That's a lovely color. Should we do a touch of all 3? So let's do the pale pink, the peach, and then a touch of this really bright. Oh, it's too much. I know it's too much. It's too much. I mean, is there ever such a thing as too much blush? Yep. I can totally save that, by the way. Gonna just add a little bit to tone that down. It's too much for me. It's really pigmented. You know, remember when I said to you that this is pretty much textureless. There really isn't much texture at all here. There really isn't. I'm just going to swatch these on my forehead for you, just so you can kind of see them in their full attire. These are pretty. You just need a really light hand because they are a little too pigmented. And that's the shades. I like them very much. They're just a little too much for me. They're just a little too much. They really are. I'm going to show you. It's just, yeah, they're just a bit too pigmented. But I bet you that would look amazing under foundation. There you go. Let me know your thoughts. Ooh, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.